Sharat Kerkar.
So, how are you doing today?
I'm great. I'm quite excited about tomorrow's game and excited to be in Hyderabad.
Okay, so what do you think about Big Brother?
It's a great initiative from Sachin because we see in our neighborhood, maybe in our village or maybe in town, there are a lot of kids who are suffering from any kind of heart disease and they don't have money to maybe operate them or something like that. So Big Brother is doing a great noble cause for those kids who has any kind of heart disease who can't afford a surgery. And with CCL, obviously, it's a T20 game, and number of runs we scored. Like in the first day, in 2 matches, they scored 850 runs, and per run, 1,000 rupees, 8.5 lakhs in one day, and that 8.5 lakhs can help. I think at least around 8 kids who are suffering from heart disease. So a great and noble cause, and I must congratulate Sachin that every team is scoring very high. They are scoring 240 or 231, above 200. So a lot of money is coming to this NGO, and I wish them all the best and pray that they can help a lot and lot of kids.
So, what do you think about Big Brother?
It's cricket, and obviously we normally associate with cricket and film industry, cricket with something else, cricket with endorsements or cricket with fame. But a charity with cricket, it's a different cause, and it's quite noble because it's one of a kind. Um, Thinking about young, small kids or maybe people who are suffering from heart diseases who can't afford to have treatment or surgery or whatever it needed. So, Big Brother, two thumbs ups from my side.
Amazing. Do you support any particular cause?
I am, for me, underprivileged kids who can't get the basic education done. I really support them. Every year there's an NGO in Kanpur, so I send money there, or books maybe, or whenever on the road there's small schools. There are teachers who volunteer for the street schools, so I donate books or maybe notebooks, pens, and study material and everything. And it's nothing to do it's from the heart. It's a heart-to-heart connection with I think human beings. So I feel very humble and honored that I am one of the participants in this great noble cause. So thank you.
Wow, that's really amazing. All right, so how many runs would you like to score? As you know, each run is counted of rupees 1,000. So, how many runs would you like to score?
Correct. So last match I scored 60, and in the next match, which will be our last match, I would love to score a century, so that at least I can help one kid's full treatment. So give me luck and wish for me.
All the best. All right, last but not the least, what's your message to the people who are supporting the cause?
I think you are doing one of the greatest thing as a human being. Being born as a nurtured or a person who has everything in their life, and now you are serving or you are helping others. It's a great cause, and you should be obliged to be a part of Big Brother. So even I am feeling quite happy and excited about it.
All right, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.